discuss some basics related to logarithms. In chemistry, particularly in physical chemistry, like thermodynamics, then in equilibrium, particularly acids and bases to solve pH problems. Then in acid and bases only, our equilibrium chapter, we have uh, sparingly soluble salts, finding solubility product of sparingly soluble salts. We have some uh, problems. So in which we have to apply some basics related to logarithms. Particularly if it is theory examination, they may allow logarithm tables, otherwise they give logarithm values. But in need point of view, they may not give the values. Otherwise, they will not provide any logarithm tables to you. So that some basics we should know. Some values we have to remember. Based on those values, so without using logarithm table, we can easily find the particular value what they are given in particular problem. Means at the end of that particular problem, we have to use logarithm rules only. Only chemistry related. In chemistry, what is the requirement? Up to that only I am giving. I don't know about fully logarithms related to mathematics or related to physics. Only chemistry related. Only need point of view how to solve the problems in which logarithms are present. For that only I am giving explanation here. Here first we should know some values. Log here we have two things. One is logarithm base 10, other one is the logarithm base e form, natural logarithm and base 10 logarithm. Here natural logarithm, otherwise base e form I am writing ln, and base 10 form I am writing log, log. Okay, here mainly in most of the cases they give log log, base 10 form only they give. In few cases if they give natural logarithm like ln, then we can convert it into log base 10 form. How we can convert that ln into log, means the natural logarithm into base 10 logarithm, we will discuss, and some formulas also we will discuss. Before that we should know some values related to logarithms. Log 1 value how much, log 2 value, log 3 value, log 4 value, up to 10 you have to remember. See here I am giving, instead I am writing logarithm values. Here log 1 value is always 0, log 1 is 0, log 2 value is 0.301, log 3 value 0.4771, log 4 value 0.602, log 5 value 0.699, log 6 value 0. It is 0.7781. 0.7781. We can find log 6 value if you know these values. Then log 7 value we have to remember. It is 0.8451. 0.8451. Log 8 value is 0.903. Log 9 value also we can find by using these values. Log 9 equal to 0.9542. 0.9542. Log 10 value, it is 1. Log 1 is 0, log 10 is 1. Similarly, log 100 is 2. Then log 1000, like we can write, log 1000 is 3. Log 10,000 is 4. So these values particularly you have to remember, you have to by heart. Without seeing logarithm table, if you want to do problem in which logarithms are present, minimum you have to remember these values. So log 1 is 0, log 2 is 0.301, log 3 is 0.4771, log 4 is 0.602, log 5 is 0.699, log 6 is 0.7781, log 7 is 0.8451, log 8 is 0.903, log 9 is 0.9542, log 10 is 1, log 100 is 2, log 1000 is 3, log 10,000 is 4. Like that, we can remember these values. This is very important first of all. Then after, we have to remember some formulas related to logarithms. See here, the first one, log a into b. A is some constant value, b is some constant value. Log a into b equal to, you can write log a plus log b. These formulas you have to remember. Similarly, log a by b, log a by b equal to log, all these are base 10 forms. I am writing here, log a minus log b. Then log a power b, this is the b log a. Log a power b is b log a. These formulas you have to remember. Then here ln is the natural logarithm, means base e form. You can write ln, we can say. Here ln e means logarithm base e form. Base e form means it is natural logarithm. Ln e is always equal to unity. Remember, 1 is equal to unity. So minimum these formulas you have to remember. Log a into b is log a plus log b. Log a by b equal to log a minus log b. Log a power b is b log a. Ln e equal to 1. This we have to remember. And ln some value. One more formula I am writing here. Ln means natural logarithm x. Some value it is. Natural logarithm x. Maybe ln 2, ln 3, like that they may give x value 2 or 3, like that. Ln x equal to, you can write 2.303 log base 10 is x. If you know log x value from this, it may be 2, it may be 3, it may be 4. So 2.303 log 2 if it is given. 2 value you know. That value you have to substitute here. So that 2.303 into that 0.301 is nothing but is ln x value. Ln x equal to 2.303 log x. This is base 10 form. This is base e form. And ln e in some formulas, while proceeding the derivation, while going in derivation, ln e if you observe, then instead of ln e we can write directly 1. It is unity. These are the things we have to remember. See here, I'll give some explanation, some values, some examples related to this. See, first we'll take this formula. Log 1, okay, log 2 you have to remember. You can't write log 2 in that way. Log 3 also you have to remember. See, here I'm taking log 4 value. Example, log 4 I'm taking. Log 4 is directly from that you can get it is 0.602. How much it is? 0.602. So same thing we can write in different way. Log 4 equal to, we can write log 4 is nothing but what? 2 into 2 we can write. Means it is a into b form. Log a into b. Log a into b equal to what? Log a plus log b. So we can write here it as log 2 plus log 2. Okay. See here log 2 value how much? 0.301. That you have to remember. Substitute the value. Here 0.301 plus 0.301. How much it is? It is like how much it is? 0.602 only you can get. Otherwise, we can write in this form also. In this form, log a power b, log 4. We can write it as log 2 square also. Log 4 is nothing but log 2 square. Log 2 square we can write it. Log 4 we can write it as log 4 equal to log 2 square we can write. This is in this form log a power b form. So what we can write is equal to 2 log 2. We can write as 2 log 2 means 2 into log 2 value from this 0.301. So it is also 0.602. 0.602. So if you remember this, so if you know log 2 value, it is very easy to find log 4 value by using these formulas. Okay, I'm taking one more example. That is log 6 and everything. Log 5 value anyhow you have to remember. For that, no formula is useful for this. For finding log 5, directly you have to remember it is 0.699. Log 6, how we can write? 6 is nothing but we can write 2 into 3. 6 is nothing but 2 into 3. Power form is not possible. 2 power 2 means it is 4 only. 2 power 3 means it is 8. 2 into 2 into 2. So here log 6 value already you know that is 0.7781. Right. So log 6 we can write like this also. Log 2 into 3. So log 2 into 3 means log a into b form. So we can write it as log a plus log b means log 2 plus log 3. Log 2 value you know, log 3 value also you know. So here only I am adding log 2 value 0.301 plus log 3 value 0.4771. So how much it will be here? It is 0.301. For understanding only, for getting this, for understanding, I am adding these two 0.4771. See here 1, here it is 8, it is 7, it is 7, 0. See, same value 0.7781. So like this, we can find 0.7781. So like log 7 value, no alternate by this. Log 7 value, we have to remember 0.8451. Here, log 8 value, we can find the same way. Log 8 value, you know, it is 0.903, but we can write it as log 2 into 4. Otherwise, we can write it as, first we will find in this way. So it is now log 2 plus log 4. Again here we can write log 2 into 2 also. If you know log 4 value, no problem, directly you can substitute. Otherwise here also we can expand. Log 2 square we can write. Otherwise here we can write log 2 into 2 means again here instead of log 4 we can write log 2 plus log 2. So here it is log 2 0.301, log 4 0.602. So what is the value? Here 30639. 0.903. Log 9 value also you can find the same way. Log 9, log 10. Log 9 is, you can write it as log 3 into 3 we can write. Log 8 we can write in other form, power form also we can write. Log 8 equal to log 2 cube also we can write. It is in the form of log a power b. B log a. Means it is nothing but now 3 log 2. 3 log 2. Means here 3 into log 2 value you know 0.301. How much did we know? Here 3, 0, 3 into 3, 9. So same value we can get. So as per our convenient we can solve this, calculate this, simplify this by using those. We have to remember those values. Log 10 value, how we can find? log 10 value, log 10 value already 1 I given, log 10 value is 1. How we can get log 10 value 1? Log 10 is nothing but log 5 into 2 we can write. Log 5 into 2 we can write. Log 5 into 2 is nothing but what? Log 5 plus log 2. So log 5 value from this 0.699 plus log 2 value 0.301. So here 0, here also 0, is 10 here 1. 1.00 means it is 1 only. Log 10 is 1. Similarly, log 100 is 2. Log 100 is nothing but what? Log 10 into 10. Log 10 into 10 is nothing but what? See here, log 100 I will discuss, then remaining you can understand, I hope. See here, log 100 and how we can write log 100? Log 100 here. As per this, log 10 into 10 we can write. That means log 10 plus log 10. Log 10 value from this calculation, how much you got? 1. Here also 1. How much it is now? 2. Log 100 is 2. Otherwise, we can write log 10, log 100 like log 10 power 2. 10 power 2 is equal to 10 into 10 into 2. So we can write it is in 2 log 10. 2 log 10 means 2 log 10 value is 1. 2 into 1 is nothing but 2 only. Likewise, you can get log 10 value 1, log 100 value 2, log 1000 value 3. Is we will find different values, different logarithm values you can find. This you should, first of all, you should know all these values. Log 1 is 0, log 2 is 0.301, log 3 is 0.4771, log 5 is log 4 is 0.602, log 5 is 0.699, log 6 is 0.7781, log 7 is 0.8451, log 8 is 0.903, log 9 is 0.9542, log 10 is 1, 100 is 2, 1000 is 3, like this we can find. Then after, just try to find some more values I am doing here. Log 12, you try at home. Your free time, please try to solve these practice. I am giving questions here. Find here already log 12. Log 11 we have to generally we have to remember, but generally in as per my observation in any examination, log 11 or log 13 related values they are not given, because anyhow in NEET examinations or objective examinations they will not provide logarithm tables, so that for which values students can easily find the logarithm without seeing logarithm table, those values only they give as per my observation. So log 11 if they given intermediate value you can take. How to solve afterwards we will discuss that. Intermediate value or approximate value we can find based on approximation. Among the 4 options we can opt one perfect option. So log 12 value you have to find. Similarly log 14 value you have to find. Log 15 you can find. Then log 16 you can find. Then log 18 also you can find. Log 20 also you can find. Some more I am giving here. Log 49 you can find. So try to find these values. Then here log 12 I am taking. Log 12 you can write as log in ratio form. How we can write ratio, how we can get 12, otherwise here any log 20 value you take, log 20, but only for giving explanation with respect to this I'm giving log 20. If you take, we can write it as log 40, otherwise log uh, 40 by 20 we can write, log 40 by 20 we can write, otherwise log 40 by 2, sir. Log 40 by 2 we can write. So log 40 by 2, otherwise log 2 also. Why? Because here 40 is there. No, I'll give explanation how to find this 40 value. Before that, just we'll take log 2. Log 2 we can write as log 4 by 2. Only for getting information about a by b, how to use a by b. So log 4 by 2 is nothing but log 2 only. So this whereas 2 1 the 2 2 so we can write, no. So log 4, because it is a by b form, log 4 minus log 2 we can write. Log 4 minus log 2 we can write. Log 4 value 0.602 from this, and log 2 value 0.301. So subtract 0.301 from 0.602, how much you can get? 0.301 only, which is nothing but this value. So there is we can find logarithm values, basics, simple logarithm values are given. Simple logarithm values are given, and we should know one more thing here. Here just now again 40, how to find the 40 value. See here, if you know value of 4, you can get value of 40 also. See here, log 4 value first time writing, log 4 is 0.602. So now log 40 is how much? Simply, it is very simple. Here if it is 40 is there, no, then 1.602. 1.602. Similarly, if it is given log 400, it is the 2.602. Because what we can write here, log 4 is nothing but 4 into 1, right? See here, for this I am giving explanation here. Log 40 I am taking. Log 40 is equal to log 4, otherwise log 10 I am writing first. Log 10 into 4 we can write, right? Log 10 into 4 is nothing but log 10 plus log 4. Log 4 value already you know, it is 0.602. So here log 10 value it is 1. So 1 plus log 4 value 0.602. How much will be? It is nothing but 1.602. Log 400 means what? Log 400 is nothing but, for this giving information, log 400 is nothing but log 100 into 4 we can write. 400 no? Log 100 into 4 we can write, right? So it is now log 100 value already given, it is 2. Otherwise we can write first formula log 100 plus log 4. Log 100 plus log 4. So how much it is? Log 100 value it is 2 plus 0.602. So 2 plus 0.602 is nothing but 2.602 only. Simply see decimal point you have to observe. Here after 1 digit there is a decimal point. 4 log 4 is nothing but what? 4.0000 anything. So before the decimal only 1 digit is there. Here log 40 means what? Before this decimal 40 means 2 digits are there. 40.000. Here log 400 means 400.000 we can write, right? 400 means before the decimal we have 3 digits. So simply as per mathematics, these numbers, how many numbers or how many digits are present, not it is irrespective of value. How many digits are present that you have to count. Before the decimal, how many digits are present? that is nothing but n value. Some x like that you can assume now. Here I am taking n. So if n number of digits are present before the decimal, we should write n minus 1 before the decimal in the answer. See here, before decimal 3 digits are there. So here n equal to now 3. N minus 1 means how much it is? 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is nothing but how much? It is 2. So the 2 I kept here. Then after I'll stick 602. 4 value. 4 log 4 value 0.602. Similarly here log 40. Log 40.00. Before the decimal 2 digits are there. So here n value is 2. So how many, what value we can keep the answer for log 40? Here before the decimal, if 2 digits are there, n minus 1 value should be keep before log 4 value here. Means 1.602 we can write. Any value you can take.